After 1 week of no new cases, the Lexington Fayette Health Department have reported 6 new cases of pertussis in the county. Fayette County now has 38 confirmed cases of whooping cough since April 26th, with the health department still considering this an outbreak. Healthcare providers are urging all Central Kentucky caregivers to be on the lookout for signs and symptoms of the highly contagious respiratory illness, as well as ensure your kids are up to date on vaccines or fully vaccinated with a booster shot.